Today we are talking about a tool that many dropshipping sellers use to save time and also for manage products and automate their online stores. If you sell products online through marketplaces or your own e-commerce site, handling orders, pricing, inventory and listing can take many hours every week. That is why automation tools are important for dropshippers. They help you to reduce the manual work and focus on growth. One of the tools gaining attention is AutoDS. In this video, we will review AutoDS and we will explain what it does, how it works, and whether it might be the best automation tool for your dropshipping business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and e-commerce success. Today, we are reviewing AutoDS, a dropshipping automation platform that promises to make your life easier, and I also placed a special offer link in the description that helps you to get bonuses or discount when you sign up the AutoDS by using that link. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and also don't forget to use the link from description. By using that link, any available offer will be applied automatically, so you get your benefits without extra effort. Now let's get into the main part of the video and let's talk about the AutoDS in simple way. First, let's talk about what is AutoDS. In simple terms, it is a tool that helps you to automate many parts of your dropshipping process. Instead of updating prices, checking stocks, fulfilling the orders, or uploading products manually, AutoDS can handle this task automatically for you. This means you can save hours of work and avoid mistakes that often happen when you manage things manually. When you start using AutoDS, you usually begin by connecting your e-commerce store. This could be a marketplace store or your own online shop. After connecting, AutoDS begins to syncing the products and settings so the tool knows what you sell and how your store is set up. This is the foundation for automation. One of the most useful features in AutoDS is automatic price and stock monitoring. Dropshipping suppliers change the prices and stock all the time. When this happens without automation, you need to update your listing manually to avoid the selling products you cannot fulfill or losing profit. AutoDS checks the prices and stock regularly and updates your listing according to the rules you set. This helps to prevent overselling and keeps your store data accurate. Another important part is the automatic orders. When someone buys a product from your store, AutoDS can automatically place the order with your supplier. This means you do not have to copy the customer information, enter order details, or confirm the orders manually every time. AutoDS sends the order, update tracking information, and keeps your store in sync. This saves time and reduces the errors. Product listing automation is also helpful. Instead of uploading your product one by one, AutoDS allows you to import many products from different suppliers with a few clicks. You can choose pricing rules so that your prices stay profitable, and the tool helps you to competitive pricing automatically. And the tool helps to set the competitive pricing automatically. For sellers who import many products, this feature speeds up your workflow significantly. Another part people like about the AutoDS is analytics and reporting. The tool shows you clear dashboards with sales, profits, performance, so you can see how your store is doing. Instead of guessing which products sell best, you get the real numbers that help you to make a smarter decision about pricing, marketing, and product selection. Now, many beginners ask, is automation easy to use? Yes, the interface is designed to be beginner friendly. It may feel new at first because there are many features. But once you connect your store and set your rules, the automation starts working in the background. You can focus more on strategy and less on repetitive tasks. Another advantage is the integration with many suppliers. AutoDS supports popular suppliers and marketplaces, which means you can import products from multiple places and manage them all through the one dashboard. This central control helps you to keep everything organized And of course, no tool is perfect. Some feature may require learning to set the pricing rules the way you want, and may need to test your automation settings to make sure everything works exactly how you like. But overall, AutoDS makes the dropshipping much easier compared to handling everything manually. Now, that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I hope this video helped you to understand better about the AutoDS and the dropshipping automation. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more e-commerce and automation tool reviews like this. Don't forget to check the special offer link in the description to get your benefits automatically. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.